Austin with the gun.
Shoot a slug one-handed. I'm talking to Austin.
Oh, hang on. Watch this. You guys ever cut grass?
I'm on week 22. About to cut some grass.
Here, Austin, trying to one bullet. Where are you at? Can't find a slug.
Dang.
Is there a car coming down there?
If it is, he ain't gonna turn down here.
Hey, is this black one a slug?
Shoot him and find out. You can't see it in the end.
Yeah, you gotta look at the end. The end is like a fucking...
Dang.
Did you look in here?
We got the guns on deck. And guns.
I'm about to shoot that black one.
Quay with the gun.
Go 12.
You about to do what?
Jonathan with
Hey, I got
Jesus.
Damn, what was that? Damn.
I didn't put all 20 in there.
Uh-oh.
Dodge the
AR-15.
bullet.
Uh-oh. Bitch, you better stop playing with that. Shooting them things up in the air. It's gonna come back down on us.
Did the clip go all the way in? Because sometimes you gotta fight the clip in.
Oh, goddamn.
Drop the clip. If you
Hey guys, you hear it?
The bullet fell over there.
No, the BBs fell over there that I just shot.
Slug.
Let me see it. Hey, you got a slug in your pocket?
Yes.
Let me get one. I gave you 2 of them.
I shot the first one. Got one.
Hey, let me get it. I never shot a slug. I'm for real. Swear to God. Alright, I'm about to shoot a slug.
The AR-15.
Hey, Jonathan.
Did it work?
Really? I saw the spark off that one.
I can't hear nothing, man. After you fuck up with my...
Hey, let me shoot the AR-15.
Did any more bullets left in it?
Yeah, there's like some in here. I didn't put all of them.
Okay. Here, let me shoot. So you hold this real quick. I'm gonna get the AR. I'll load the clip up for you.
Oh!
Well, you fancy, huh?
Oh, yeah.
30-30. That's
It's gone. There ain't no more in there.
Austin, hold this straight out like this.
Where'd that bag go?
Hmm?
Oh.
All right, Quay. Come get your phone.
Fernie, you want to shoot the AR-15?
Yeah, I'm gonna shoot the thing once. Once.
Oh, hold on, let me unload it.
Is there any more shotgun shells?
Yeah, there's a couple.
Oh, fuck.
All them guns smoking.
Don't drop it. Just set it up.
It's gonna work out.
Bop! Bop!
Got 3 rounds in it.
Let's go. Got the guns right here.
Now pull all the way back and rack it in. There you go. Yeah.
Let them have it, Austin.
Get off.
Yeah, I hear that thing back there.
Alright, you got one in. Alright, live. It's on fire, so watch out.
That was all that was in there?
Yeah, I just put 3 in there.
You guys remember when we were 5-year-old and 22s had kicks?
Yeah, man. I remember that. I'll never forget that.
I just want to see what kind of kick you had.
You got the shells?
Just be quiet, just listen.
I heard it. Let me see. Got it.
Ready? All right, record this. What I just...
It's on. It's loaded up. Just take it off safe and point and
Is there
shoot.
any more in your box?
It's on the left side.
Let me see your box.
Oh, that's magazine release.
Hey, shoot your box.
Other way. Other way.
There's no more in the box.
There you go. Stick it all the way up in there. All right. Now hold it. Now look where your thumb's at.
Right here.
Yeah, that's where the safety's at.
Alright, fire.
Damn, what
Alright.
the fuck was that?
Right here?
Yep.
Holy shit.
All right, you're out.
Witnessing history.
I like this.
Yeah. Nice guy.
I'm about to shoot.
Yeah.
Dude, that takes
Austin with the 30-30.
No, it's 7-0.
7-0.
thing's got like no kick to it anymore.
Yeah, you done shot about it.
All right, Quay, get your phone.
Well, somebody could shoot these.
Let me see that.
That fucked my finger up. Here's another one right here.
Ready to shoot?
Yeah, it's good. You can pull the trigger.
Hey, friend, let me see that.
Here.
Yeah, two more of these.
Well, she blow that one right off. Not this one.
Oh, no. Go for it. Watch out, 'cause this gun's right there.
I didn't
You want
know
me to
that was
shoot
like
this?
I shot this. I didn't know that was that.
Hey, you want me to shoot this?
What?
I told you, man.
Chris, you want me to
That thing
shoot
fucked my shoulder up on my single barrel.
But I didn't know what it was.
I
I
ain't
just
want to
put
shoot
it.
it no more, bro. Austin gave me that crap. Them green.